Hi, this is continuations of S3 bucket. So in this topic, we are going to see about the management part where we will try to create a life cycle rule. So I'll just create an object life cycle, but here I can't show you the complete thing, but I can show you the basic stuff. Basically, what I'm doing is anybody uploads to into S3 bucket, I can move to the different tier. S3 bucket means life cycle means you have different in S3 bucket only you have different categories are there. Based upon that, your cost will reduce. Okay, so that is AWS giving. So if you are not, so that's why I'm telling. So this is the rule I'm creating. If anybody upload into my, for example, into my sales team folder, and I can say this is a sales team life cycle rule, and you can specify minimum maximum, but I'm not going. So I'm going to move the current objects. So current who are uploading the recent object, I'm going to move. So I can give, this is actually in standard. I can move to standard IA, means if you're not accessing your object for almost 30 days, and you can move it to, so I can put 31 days at the time of object created, at the time of object uploaded. So if you uploaded last month and you're not accessing thing, so it will move to standard. So accordingly your cost will reduce. So they are going to charge, suppose you moved, your moved, before that, still they are going to charge for 30 days storage cost. Okay, that's why after 30 days you are not accessing anything, it will move to 31 days, like that. And still you can add another tier, you have something called intelligent tier, which any data change, so there is no minimum storage, you can move it to this one. So I can put 3 days. So I should, at least it should be a 30 days, so I can put say 33 days. So anytime object created 30 days, 3 days, I can move it to this intelligent tier. So if this is data is changing or unknown access, you can do. So there is no storage cost for this, for intelligent tier. No cost is there, but if you are moving before that, there is no minimum storage cost. Another thing is something called 1Z, one zone IA, which means that usually whenever you upload any objects into S3 bucket, it will automatically replicate into 3 availability zone, 1A, 1B, like that. So if in this case, it will replicate into only one zone. So if you don't want to replicate highly available, you want to replicate only one reach. Actually, AWS is highly scalable. Okay, it's never downtime. So what you can do is you can put this into 33 1Z, but it will replicate in only in one availability zone. And if your object is not not frequently accessed for more than 30 days, then you can move to one zone. So accordingly, your cost will reduce actually. So you can't put 12 days, it will say minimum 30 days. Okay, so that's why I usually put more than 30 days. So like this, you can create a rule and automatically it will move to this object. Okay, and if you see here, you have Glacier, debugger. So similar process. So in your business use case, like you don't need to keep. So if your people are not accessing your data, you can move it. But only thing is that you are moving to different. Accordingly, your cost will reduce. Otherwise, you are paying extra cost to your distributor. Okay. That is the thing. Let me go to the demo app, and this is access endpoints. So usually access endpoint, you won't give access to your S3 bucket publicly. So if you go to access endpoint, I am giving access. I want to give demo apps access. Okay. So giving within my VPC, I won't give to internet. I will give within a VPC. You can put your VPC ID and give the access. And here also you can specify your object name. So thank you guys. That's it. We'll see you in next section.